Hey, if you click this video, I'm assuming that you're having the exact same issues that I'm having right now. So this car is a Lexus 2013 CT200. It's having a AC blower motor function. It's kind of tripping out. At first it was just making grunts noises and grinding noises here and there. Not enough to bug me, just for the last 6 months, until a month ago it just went out. Just turned off. It made this loud grinding sound. Usually the bearings go out on those fans. But how about we turn the camera around and listen to it and see if it's the same issues you guys are having, okay? All right, let's hear it. Yes, it is that bad. So if your car is making that noise or any kind of humming sound, that's how it started. It started humming, and as soon as it just wore out the bearings, it just got even worse and worse. And now it's probably so tight in the bearings, it just automatically shuts off on there because of the load. So we're gonna do a quick video straight to it, so you get you guys motor running good and smooth. So get it. And now that we got that out, we are gonna set it side by side for a comparison. You always wanna do that. You always kinda wanna practice that. When you're replacing anything, put it side by side with the old part to make sure they're identical for wiring plugs, all the way to the bolt-on patterns and all that. So let's check this out. Here's the old one. It looks good already, but I'm just gonna show you guys. Yeah, bolt holes are the same area. This here, the vent. So I will tell you, by looking at it, it's already crooked looking. This wobbles a lot. It has a lot of play in there. It's not supposed to do that. Meaning that's why I was making all that that machine gun sound, that vibrating sound. It's just bouncing back and forth. This one barely wants to spin. It should spin freely, and you should be able to spin it, and it should spin freely. This one, no wobble. Let's spin this one. Look at that. Spins freely. That's how it's supposed to be. The bearings are good on that. So if you guys don't know, there are different companies that make fans for cheap and all that. I got the Lexus one. It's the OEM. It's the Denso. It is the Denso. Yep, the Denso. And you can tell by the cheaper ones, they don't have these. If you're wondering, there's these little clips in here, these metal. Those are usually little weights that they put on each end from the manufacturer, and it balances it. I'm assuming they have a machine that balances this out, and when it feels like it's not completely balanced, they add weight as necessary until it spins really nice and even. So in case you're wondering, so we are going to get at that real quick. It's going to be quick. And now let's cross our fingers and let's give it a go Everything's all plugged up. Yes, we got air, and it sounds smooth and quiet. Perfect. So, thank God it's all good and it's working smooth. I'm happy. Just to let you guys know, it was real simple and easy. Anybody can do it. You only need basic tools. I didn't look at any instructions. I've been working on cars for over 22 years and pretty familiar with a lot of basic stuff like that. So I kind of just went in there, looked at it, observed what I need to take off, which was really straightforward. But if you liked it, if it helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe. I will be doing a lot more random videos like this, and of course, projects that I'm building, more cool projects. So stay tuned. Appreciate it.